We're standing here with Sami Laiho from Adminize. Hi Sami, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Sami Laiho. I'm from Finland. I'm here to speak about troubleshooting today and about security tomorrow.
You had your session today about troubleshooting. Can you tell us what that session was about?
That session was called Black Belt Troubleshooting Windows 8.1, but it was mainly aimed for all operating system troubleshooting. So we got through basics of troubleshooting and not that much about different tools, but about the concepts and techniques behind doing proper and effective troubleshooting.
Okay. What would be one of the techniques that you tell to system administrators and other people that they need to learn to do good troubleshooting?
The biggest fault is usually that now we're talking about Windows troubleshooting is that people tend to think that administrators have the most permissions and powers on Windows machine, although the root user of a Windows machine is actually the system account, which is one of the biggest things that we talked about. And we also talked about people only see processes running on Windows machines, although processes cannot even use any code or functions. Instead, all the Windows operating systems use threads that are the actual entities that are running functions and codes. So people are usually troubleshooting wrong objects with too little permissions.
Okay, and tomorrow there's another session that you're going to do. It's going to be about security. Can you tell us how your view is on security and stuff like that?
The session tomorrow is about proactive security versus reactive security. So I'm a strong believer in building IT infrastructure in a way that people in the first place won't get their computers infected or malfunctioning by keeping the correct level of permissions for end users, and also more concentrating on stuff like software whitelisting rather than doing reactive protection like antivirus and anti-malware.
So if you train a lot of people as well, if you do your job good, what does the end user notice from your knowledge, from your skills and your experience?
Well, the end user should be gaining a well-performing and a stable operating system to do his or her work on. So always people talk about keeping malware off a computer, but it's the proactive security also keeps Windows machines and other operating systems running a lot longer, meaning that there are less reinstallations and you can actually keep your machine working for the whole 3 to 5 years that they're usually used for, rather than just running it for a year, having it full of material that it shouldn't have, and then ending up with a a bad performing operating system.
And you've been training people for a long time now, and you've been in this field for a long time. What keeps you motivated to keep training administrators and to help them get clean desktops and proactive, secure systems?
It's always the moment that you see people and you can see their faces and see that they learned something new. I just can't get enough of it. It's good in a classroom with 12 people, and it's even better at tech ed for like 800 people. So I just love seeing people learn something new.
Well, thank you very much for sharing your knowledge with us in an ICT Expert Talk. We'd hope to have you again next year, and good luck on your session tomorrow.
Thank you very much. I hope everyone comes to my session tomorrow. I still have a few of really cool Finnish t-shirts to give away, so please join me.